Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail app settings, tips and tricks on PC. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to activate auto reply or auto response to every mail that comes into your Gmail box without any stress. Let me show you how. First of all, open up your Gmail app, and after you open up your Gmail app, go ahead and come to the top right there, click on settings. And the next thing you want to do, so once you click on settings, go ahead and click on see all settings. And then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down all the way down. Continue to scroll down until you get to this particular part right here. Vacation responder. Vacation responder turn off by default. What you want to do first is to make sure you turn it on. Once you turn it on, then go ahead and enter subject. And say thank you for your mail. Thank you for your mail. Just like so. Then we can come to the plain text right here and give a kind of feedback that we receive your mail. So for that, I will simply go ahead and right click, and I'm going to make use of help me write. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a prompt right here. Can you please write about receiving mail and indicate that we are working on the message and gets back soon. Just like so. Then I'll go ahead and click on create. Let's see what the AI have to say right here. Just like so, you can see, thanks for your mail. We are currently working on your message. I will get back to you as soon as possible. We can click on refine right here. We can decide to make it formal. Just like so. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and hit on insert. Then you have your short response auto read right here. Thank you for your mail. We are currently processing your message and we will respond to you as the earliest possible. Then here you can signify. Only send a response to people in my contact, which means that people that you have in your Gmail contact, or better still, you can leave it unchecked, which allow everyone that send you mail to receive this auto response right here. But in my own case right here, I'm going to put it in only send a response to people in my contact. Then once you are done, go ahead and come down below right here, click on save change, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe.